this today.
Slope is always a straight line, right?
Yes. All right. Now, what I do is be showing you some graphs, and I want you to tell me, you don't have to draw the graphs or anything. This is just practice. You should be able to tell me positive, negative, 0, or undefined. And you can shout it out, type it, I don't care, whatever you want to do. What do we got here? Positive. Very good. All right, the next one. Negative, eventually. All right, next one. Undefined. This is awful. This one. Negative. Now, I want to talk about this one really quickly. When we have a negative slope like this, look at the interval in which it's going by. So I see here, this would be a point, and this would be a point. And I would use this to make that little triangle that I talked about. When I look at my rise, it looks like it's rising by 3, but it's not. What is it actually rising by? 30. Because the interval here is by tens. But then you look at your run is actually by 2. And of course it's negative. But when I simplify, negative 15, right? So keep that in mind when you look at these graphs and when you're finding slope, pay attention to your intervals because that's going to be what tricks you up, okay? All right, next one and last one. What do we got here? 0, yes, 0. Good job. Some of y'all are like, I'm ready. Boom, got it. All right. So your assignment, mix